Hey there, this is Chand, and in this video we will discuss about few issues which students are facing. So the date is April 3rd, 2021, and if you are good with the installation of Eclipse, Java, and everything is working fine, then you can definitely skip this video. But if there is any issue which you are facing, then watch out for this video. Alright, so first of all, Java download. So if you simply Google for Java download and try to uh, check the Java version, which you will get by default is version 8. But as of now, the current version of Java is Java 16. So here, instead of Java download, type in JDK download, and you will able to get a different link, and this is by Oracle. And here, if you see, it will be Java 16 download, and there is this link of JDK download as well. Now there is a catch. So when it comes to Java 16, and there are actually few JDK license changes. So by Oracle there are few changes. It doesn't affect us because we can make use of the Java development kit for our personal use or for development at no cost, but for organizations there are few changes. Now for example, if you are from a startup and you don't want this license, then you can also go with something known as Azul. So there is something known as Azul, which is a open source version of Java, and you can also make use of this for your development. So enough of Java. If I show you real quick, the current pieces of software which I am using is the latest version of Tomcat, which is Tomcat 10, and the Java version which I am using, let me show you JDK, it is JDK 16. Okay, so I am using the latest version of these softwares. And even when it comes to Eclipse, the version of Eclipse is the latest one. Let me quickly open this up. This is version 2021-03R. And now let me quickly show you that how we can build a very simple servlet application using the latest softwares. There are few things which you need to know to get started with Eclipse and Java 16 and Tomcat 10. So let's get started. So first of all, let me get rid of this welcome screen. We don't need it. We will be creating a new dynamic web project. The name will be Hello World, and everything will be as default. Next, Hello World, no problem. Root context, Hello World, generate web.xml, and we will click on finish. So now we have created a dynamic web project, which is fine. The next step would be installing the web server, but this is taking some time, more than usual actually. Here we go. And if I click on this servers tab, there is no servers available. And if I click on this create a new server, there are a couple of more options, including Apache, Server 10. And here I will be browsing the folder, which is C drive, program files, Apache, and this particular option. And once I select this will give you this error, but don't worry about it. Wait for some time. It actually does what in the background, it does some checks from online, and it takes some time in order to give you the option to click on next. So don't worry about it, and give it some time. Now sometimes there will be some issues related to Windows access control as well. So do one thing, again click on browse, click on C drive, program files, Apache, and try to go inside this Tomcat 10. And if you are getting this issue where you don't have the permission, continue this. So you need to give the permission to Eclipse in order to access the folder, and then select this particular folder, and we can click on finish. This is cool. And here I will navigate to src and we will create a new servlet. Here the Java package would be org.steadyeasy. Class name will be hello. Next, everything is cool. We will click on finish. Now friends, in here, if I show you, there are like numerous issues in here, and the issues are related to imports. What is the fix? Well, we need to update the what we say build path. So let us quickly do that, and we will import the required libraries, which is again cool, but there is yet another issue which I will tell you. So servlet API and JSP API we will add in the build path. We will apply the changes, but still you will find the same issues. The reason is because the server is version 10. So in here, if I quickly show you and try to install Tomcat 10 on what we say on our Eclipse, we will be able to install Tomcat 10 in here, no problem at all. But now in front of us, there are two issues. First of all, even after fixing the build path, the import fix are not done, and then we will start the Tomcat and there will be yet another issue. Now the reason why we are getting this error is because when it comes to Tomcat 10, JavaX has been replaced with something known as Jakarta. So if we simply replace this JavaX with Jakarta, then the issues with the imports will be fixed. Now, if you are making use of Tomcat 9 or older version, you need not to worry about these fixing of the import statement, and your application will run just perfectly. Now friends, there is one more thing. If your monitor Tomcat is running, the service is on, then your application will not start. So definitely stop the service of monitor Tomcat before running your application. Now again, if I run this application, still the application will not run. So let me show you. If I click on finish, it will give us some kind of issue. The issue is because of a port. So in order to fix this issue, you need to just double click on this Tomcat, and this will open a panel. Here we go. And in here, there is a port setting, and simply fix the port setting, Tomcat admin port, and give a different port, maybe 9000. Let us hit enter. So we need to hit enter in order to save the setting. And finally, we will run this on web server. We will also close this tab. All right, now this will take some time in the background to start, and it will give us an output as well. Here is the output. The base URL is hello. This is the reason why there is the 404 error. So if I simply navigate to hello, here is the output. Fantastic. So this is how we can get started with Tomcat and Eclipse setup. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.